In front of me is ZTE Blade A55, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio. This one. When it's ready, go into Settings and tap on Apps. Then hit Default Apps. Select Home app and click on Launcher Pro to apply it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my layout was successfully applied. If you wish to make some changes, just go into Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, you can always access the same default app settings and tap on System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!